This is rich, creamy, deeply savory cream spinach, and I'll share my secret with you at the end of the video. We're going to start by blanching the spinach just until it begins to wilt. We're going to work in batches here. The goal is to keep the spinach vibrant and tender, not overcooked. I ended up doing this in 2 batches. It was a 1-pound pack of baby spinach, and it came out really nicely. Once all the spinach is cooked, squeeze out as much of the water as possible from the spinach. Once you've done that, we're going to set the spinach to the side and put it in the fridge to get it cold. I really like adding mushrooms to this creamed spinach. They bring a deep, savory flavor that pairs beautifully with the spinach, and it makes this dish feel a little bit more composed and complete. I use the same pot and follow the same process as the spinach. Just a quick blanch until they're tender. It may seem odd that we're just blanching both of these in water and not seasoning, but the sauce is so creamy and cheesy, and it's got so much flavor, you really don't need to season here. And now in a saute pan over medium heat, we're going to reduce our cream. And we're just going to gently do this while it starts to thicken. I also like to season my cream with some kosher salt and some white pepper to give it a depth of flavor here. I will finish this dish with some fresh cracked black peppercorns, but I really like the flavor of white pepper as well. And once this starts to get nice and thick, we'll add our fromage blanc. I added 4 ounces to the pan. The secret to making this sauce and a lot of other butter-based or cheese-based sauces like this is to make a cornstarch slurry and add it to your sauce so that the sauce doesn't break. It's just a mixture of cornstarch and cold water. And what you'll do is you'll mix that and then slowly add it into your sauce and bring it to a boil, and it'll start to thicken the sauce. Once the sauce is made, you'll just put in your spinach and mushrooms, mix it until everything is warm, and serve it immediately. If you enjoy simple, from-scratch recipes like this, make sure you hit subscribe. I share a couple of videos every week, all about cooking real food and gathering at the table.